My name's Liam and I'm a software developer at Fingermark.
My name is Tara and I'm a data analyst and quality assurance tester.
My name's Case Eden and I'm a software developer here at Fingermark.
Fingermark is a technology solutions based company.
We work with the world's largest fast food restaurants and brands.
We aim to increase restaurant speed of service by optimising their operations like drive-through management, ordering workflow through specialised software.
So I'm what they call a front-end developer, which essentially means I'm in charge of all the UI, so essentially what the customers see on a screen is what, so I'm in charge of all the pretty colours, I guess. I have a sort of game development background, so I'm sort of a lot of thinking into that whole UI, UX experience. So I've got a lot of freedom, a lot of say what actually gets developed, so my creative juices get flowing quite quickly during the day.
With data analysis, I like it because my brain very much likes facts, numbers, stuff like that, so it's good to be able to do that and work on consistency.
I'm a full stack developer, so I do a bit of front end and back end code. I mainly work on the kiosk software, so 90% of my job is creating new features, fixing bugs, just generally improving it.
When I was in high school, we had coding and then we had website development, and that was it in terms of IT. I didn't know half of the careers that I've already gone through existed. And then going to EIT showed me all the different options, and I realised if you go into IT, you can essentially be anything.
I never sort of had the idea of tech in high school, and it wasn't until the ambassadors came around to sort of tell me about software development. So I went down, tried it, sort of fell in love with it, found out, had the mind for it, and would never look back.
And for development, I think Fingermark gives me really great opportunities by giving me first-hand experience solving real-world problems.
I was really lucky getting with Fingermark. I came in originally as an intern, and then I finally got to be a data analyst, which was always the end goal.
So the thing that I love about my job is, I think it's a combination of the products I get to create and the team that I get to work with. It's just awesome being with like-minded people, having fun in the office while still getting to work on really cool technology.
I recommend anyone looking to get into a career in tech is to do your research. There's a huge range of tech jobs to get into, and it all falls under this sort of tech umbrella that you just don't think about when you think of the tech industry.
You can be a front-end developer, you can be a user interface designer if you don't actually like coding, you can be back-end, you can do data analytics, so really you get the 1 degree and you get enough experience to do multiple types of jobs.
Technology is really filling in your career because there's something new every day, you're bleeding edge, and there's just nothing you won't enjoy about it.